Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Gather ingredients first. Use 2 large eggs, 1 tablespoon milk, 1 tablespoon butter, 1 slice cheese, and 2 slices bread. Crack both eggs into a small bowl, add 1 tablespoon milk, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1/8 teaspoon black pepper, then whisk until blended and slightly frothy so the texture is even. Lay out your tools: a non-stick skillet, spatula, small bowl, fork, plate, and a timer. Have optional toppings ready such as scallions, hot sauce, or 1 teaspoon ketchup. Heat a non-stick skillet over low to medium-low heat and melt 1 tablespoon butter until it coats the pan but does not brown. Pour the beaten eggs into the skillet and immediately begin stirring slowly with a spatula, moving from the edges to the center to create soft egg curds. Keep motion steady and gentle so the eggs set into creamy ribbons. This should take about 30 to 45 seconds. When eggs are mostly set but still moist, drop in 1 slice cheese. Fold gently and remove from heat to avoid overcooking. Toast 2 slices of bread to a golden color, and if desired, spread 1 teaspoon butter on each hot slice to add moisture and flavor. Spoon the warm creamy eggs onto 1 slice evenly, piling them about 1/3 inch high so the sandwich holds without spilling. Add toppings such as 1 tablespoon chopped scallions, 1 sliced tomato, or 1 teaspoon hot sauce for heat. Close the sandwich, press gently to compact, then cut in half and serve immediately. Total prep and cook time should be about 8 to 10 minutes for ideal texture.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.